Hey everyone, this is the Kitchen Cube. It's an all-in-one measuring device. Allows you to reduce clutter, save space in the kitchen. Super cool. And for every purchase, one meal is donated to a child in need. So this is an awesome product. FDA food safe, safe to cook with, dishwasher safe, microwave safe. Really cool product. So I'm really excited to open this up, start using it in the kitchen. Here we go. Ooh, look at this thing. So this is super cool. So we got our Kitchen Cube here. And as you can see, each face of this cube has different measuring. There's half cup there, it's a full cup, right? 1/4 cup, teaspoon, third cup. That's super cool. So a great way to save space, have a really fun way to, measure things out in your kitchen. So really cool product, and really excited to try it out.